Hey guys, how are you doing? If you forgot your Netflix profile pin or one of your friends or family members who is sharing the Netflix account with you forgot the profile pin, then here is how you can reset. If you're a new Netflix user, then when you try to create a profile pin, you can use your iPhone or the Android phone or any other tablet, iPad or other tablets to create the profile pin just by navigating inside that particular profile and enabling the profile lock. This way you can enable the 4-digit pin easily by tapping on the create a profile lock. I have recently published a video tutorial about it. I'll leave a link to that in the description and in the first pinned comment. Also, if you are a student and looking for Netflix student discount, I have recently published a video about that too, so you can have a look at it. If you're planning to save on streaming services and especially with Netflix, what are the other alternative options available to save some money with every month subscription for your video streaming services. So coming back to the topic, to reset the profile pin, we can only create it on our iPhone or any other mobile device. But if we want to reset Netflix profile pin, we need to access only from the computer. There is no option for us to turn off the profile lock without the existing pin that we should remember. Unfortunately, the forgot pin should work, but I have tried in different network setup with Wi-Fi and 5G. The page is not loading at present. So once it's loaded, we can reset our pin using a profile password, the Netflix account password. But till that time, if you are unable to reset it using your iPhone forgot pin, then you need to access your Netflix account from your computer. So this is my friend's Netflix account, just to show how the reset process works. Here you can see my profile is pin locked. Okay, when I click on it, it will ask me to enter the 4-digit pin. When I click on forget pin, it takes me to the manage profile lock page. There I can either delete profile lock or edit pin, but I don't know the existing pin, so edit pin will not be helpful. So I need to confirm my password in order to reset my existing Netflix profile pin straight away. So otherwise I can delete the profile lock, and for this also I may need to enter my Netflix password, my Netflix profile pin. Then it is not a problem. I can simply authenticate, and here you can see after confirming the password, it is redirecting me. There are some errors it seems. So here, confirm your passcode. It's asking me once again. And it's taking me to the parental controls page. I'm giving cancel. Again, this forgot pin option also taking me inside the manage profile lock for this specific account. But when I try to authenticate with my account password, it's still showing error. So the workaround that I'm going to suggest to you right now is come back to the Netflix home screen where you will be asked for your profile pin passcode. Come back to the home page, then click on manage profiles, and it will take you to the editing option. Click on the pencil icon, and then it will take you to the manage profile and preferences. Here, click on the profile lock, then delete profile lock, and then that's it. Okay, so as you have authenticated with your Netflix password, even the previous error that we have experienced is also fixed through this method. So it was not a straightaway method for me to delete the pin lock, the profile lock that I have set. So this is how you need to delete your Netflix profile pin or profile passcode that you have set. So now when you go back to the Netflix homepage, you can see the lock is removed. You can straight away click and enter into your profile. Now, if you want to set the profile pin again, you can click on the manage profile. Then you can select the profile, and now go back to the profile lock, and to create a profile lock from the computer browser or from your iPhone, you can configure once again the profile lock by setting it up as a fresh, and this will help you to solve the problem. So remember, if the forgot option didn't work, the forgot pin option didn't work, then you need to access your laptop or a computer to log in with your Netflix to follow the steps that I have suggested earlier. You can rewind this video if you're confused a little bit. There is a possibility. So rewind and pause, then try the suggested steps one by one to reset your Netflix profile pin code. Thank you so much for watching. If you find this video useful, don't forget to share it with your friends and family members who also have similar issue. For more useful iPhone, iPad and Mac related tips and tricks, don't forget to subscribe. Thank you and have a wonderful day.